Greetings and welcome back to EdTech Moment. This is the show where we take just a moment to look at some ways that you can quickly integrate technology into your classroom. I'm your host, Tim McKean, and last time we looked at taking screen captures in macOS 10. Today we're going to take a look at taking screen captures and video captures with a free program called Jing. Today we're going to take a look at a program called Jing, and the nice thing about Jing is that it can work on macOS 10 and Windows computers as well. It has built-in features for taking screenshots and annotating them, as well as taking video screenshots. Jing is a free program that can be downloaded from jingproject.com. Once you have it installed, on my computer on the Mac, you can see that it shows up over here in the corner as a sun icon. On the Windows computer, it shows up right here in the top. If I wanted to take a screen capture, I would simply mouse over the sun, click on the plus button, and now you can see that I have a selector tool to take a picture. Okay, I can select the image I want to capture, and then I have the options down here of either taking capturing an image or capturing a video. So first I'm going to show you how to capture an image. If I click capture an image, it pulls up that image and then gives me my annotation tool, so I can add text. I can also choose different colors and annotate with arrows and things like this. This is a very great tool for, again, building tutorials or sending quick questions or answers to students or colleagues. Now I can name this file. So that's my Jing test. And then save it to my drive. Okay, I'm going to save it off to my desktop. So now I've got that picture on my desktop nicely annotated, and I'm ready to send it off. Another thing that is great about Jing is that it gives you the ability to share through the internet. Let me go back and do the same thing. Make a selection, take my image, and now if I look back down here to my options, I can save it to my drive, but I can also click on this button that looks like arrows going up into the sky, and it says that it's going to share via screencast.com. If I click on this, it's going to upload this image to a web service called screencast.com, and you get a free account with screencast.com when you sign up for Jing. Now you'll see I have a message here that says the capture has been sent and the link is ready to be pasted. What that means is it's sent the image up to the screencast.com server, and it's actually put a link to that image on my clipboard. So now if I'm sending an email message, let me go back to my Pages document I was using last time. Now all I have to do is hit paste again because it's on my clipboard, and you can see that there's a link that if someone clicked on that link, then they would see that image. So it's a very quick way to share information over the web. As I mentioned before, Jing will also let us share videos. So let me come back over to the sun icon, click on the plus button. Again, I can make my selection, and this time I'm going to choose capture a video. First, it's going to let me choose which microphone I'm going to use. So I'm going to use my producer USB and hit continue. It gives me a nice little countdown to show me when to start, and now I can start making my video recording. And so I can answer a question, I can ask a question. This is a very nice way to communicate with students and colleagues. When I'm done, I hit stop. I have the same options here to save to my drive or upload it to Screencast. I can also preview the video. And now I can start making my video recording. And so I can answer a question, I can ask a question. Okay, so you can see it records at whatever the full resolution you select. It records audio nicely, and I can either save it to my drive as a flash file, or probably the more useful feature is to share it via screencast.com. So I'm going to go ahead and click share via screencast. You can see I'm going to get a progress bar here as it uploads. And when it's uploaded, I get the same message again. Your capture has been sent and the link is ready to be pasted. Again, this is just a text link that I can paste into any document, any email, any chat room. So now I can send that link to that video very quickly. As before, these kind of screen capture tools can be great for capturing and cropping images from videos or other applications. You can use them to create quick instructional videos for a class website and to answer student questions with a video response via email. Sometimes it's easier to show them rather than try to explain it in words. Please visit our website, edtechmoment.com, for more tutorials on integrating technology into your classroom. Subscribe to our podcast feed in iTunes or YouTube channel to automatically be updated when new episodes are available. You can also email any questions or comments to feedback@edtechmoment.com. Thanks for taking a moment.